Hello everybody, and what is going on? Now, if you follow me on my social medias, you might have noticed that I've been a little bit quiet recently, but that is because I have just moved house. I've moved out, living on my own, big man things. I haven't had a chance to put down any solid content. My entire life has just been consumed in obtaining this particular room. And I'm gonna give you a quick little tour, updated room tour. So I'm gonna start you off from the doorway. Better turn on this light while I'm at it. I think 2 steps ahead in that. So this is the door section. This is where people come through and enter my humble abode. Put your shoes there, but oh wait, there's no place for you to put your shoes because all of my shoes are here. You got the Vans, you got the Commands, you got the 95s, and there is a space there, but these go there. The GTSs, you're done though. This is the toilet where all the magic happens. This is the mirror again. And here we have the little hallway bit. But what's this? Oh look, it's a big mirror. No, it's actually a wardrobe. So if you do the ting, this little unit came with the flat, and you know, I'm not really impressed with it, to be honest. Don't tell my landlord that. But yeah, this is where I'm keeping my shoes, and this is where I'm keeping one of my big off jackets and all of my bed stuff, water heater for those who, you know, are interested. But there are the shoes. I forgot to mention, here are the coats and that, looking very nice. You got the Benny Culture hoodie, the Domination, the Nike, the Levi's, the Shot jacket, the Alpha Industries, and the Low Key Burberry. So moving on, let's just close this. Hello, it's me again. The flat came with some little hangers, so I like to hang works of art here. And this is what we've all been waiting for, the actual room tour. So I'm not fully done unpacking yet. I've got my 2 lights there because I will be putting stuff on the Depop page. If they'll probably be already on there by the time this video goes out. Here are some handy storage units. I've put my rail here. Quick updated rail tour. You got the Gosha, the Anti-Hero, the Nike Metallic tee, the Doom tee, Champion sweatshirt, turtleneck, grungy ting, this thing that I never wear, Summer Ready, Burbs, Champion, Simon Cowell ting, Smart Man ting, P-Wing ting, Benny Culture ting, My Man ting, Palace ting, and a vintage Acne shirt. So there's the rail behind me. I might make this whole section here my new backdrop, like the little sofa. That's the sofa, by the way, that came with the flat, very nice. Very comfortable as well, more comfortable than my bed. Anyway, back on point. So I might make this my new backdrop, coffee table / eating table / I do everything on this table. I got some reading material here. You got the Wavy Gums Bible, an old copy of ID, an old copy of Wonderland, and the P&F magazine. Also got some noodles. That's my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And of course, I had to bring my fat off TV. The only problem is I don't have any internet until the 20th, so I can't really do anything with it. So my friend lent me his N64. And we've got some Banjo-Kazooie, so that's basically gonna be my life for the next week and a half. There's not really much to this room tour. I could have literally have just done this. This is my room. And that would have been it. But before I leave, you might be sitting there thinking to yourself, what is this? Is this a big off window? No, you are sadly mistaken. Did I forget to mention that this is a studio flat? Behind these blinds are a fold down bed. I'm going through it, I'm living it. Fam, just look at this medieval torture device that I've got to sleep on every single night. So yeah, I feel that this is a new chapter in my life. I'm sort of learning things as I go along. I went shopping the other day, I bought some bread, and then I found out that I don't own a toaster. I'm gonna try and not let the fact that I've got no internet disrupt the whole YouTube channel. Now that I'm here and I'm settled, I'm gonna have a lot more time to sort out my stuff. And that was my room tour. That's what I've been up to, basically this. But just a quick update as well, I've got some brand new stuff coming very, very soon. Some very exciting announcements coming out very, very soon. Everything was kind of put on hold because I was doing this, but now that it's done, we can move on. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of this little studio flat? It's quite spacious for one person. It's got just about enough space to do exactly what I want it to do. So hold tight to this flat. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. And also give me some decorating advice because I have no idea what to do with this. I don't really want to keep it bland. I want to put some character and some personality into it. So let me know in the comment section down below how I should decorate this place. And that is where I'm going to end today's video. So if you like this video, then you can give a nice little like. If you want to subscribe and see more of what I do, because I do a lot of fashion based stuff, lifestyle based stuff, and style based stuff, then you can by using the subscribe button that can be located anywhere on this webpage here. Share this video with your friends, Waffle Gang, Cozy Boys, you're done though. And now that is everything. Bye.